Hey everyone, in this series, I'll be showing you how to make people buy your products. And let's delve into a fascinating topic, the concept that labor is the sole determinant of value. This subjective theory of value suggests that nothing possesses intrinsic value except human life. In the context of goods and services, let us temporarily put aside the concept of intrinsic value and instead focus on how value is contingent upon the usefulness of a product or service offers to consumers. This perspective often prompts question, especially regarding commodities like gold or Bitcoin, and whether they possess inherent value. Here's the crux of the matter. If, for example, we were to discover that gold had detrimental properties such as being carcinogenic, its value would significantly decline. So, it is crucial to recognize that value isn't inherent. It is intricately tied to the utility and perception of consumers. Now, let's delve into the labor theory of value and its relationship with hourly billing practices. The practice of billing by the hour often ignites passionate discussions. Many individuals, particularly within the creative and professional spheres, contend that the harder they work or the more time they invest in a task, the higher its value should be perceived. Let us consider the realm of logo design as a case in point. Some argue that charging beyond a certain threshold is ethically questionable because it may imply that minimal effort was expended in its creation. Nevertheless, it is imperative to challenge the prevailing belief that cost should determine the price of a product or service in the real world. In actuality, the price charged by a business serves as a means to rationalize and cover a diverse array of incurred expenses. When it comes to the business landscape, adhering to the notion that cost should be the exclusive determinant of price is a simplistic perspective. In reality, the dynamic concept of value remains both subjective and constantly evolving, influenced by the ever-shifting perceptions of consumers. Clinging to the idea that cost should dictate price can be perceived as entitlement. It is paramount to shift our focus toward providing value that genuinely aligns with the needs and perspectives of customers. In a free market context, the ultimate objective is to generate value that not only satisfies the demands of customers but also fosters their loyalty, ensuring their continued patronage. In essence, the value of a product or service transcends mere labor inputs, intertwining with the utility and its ability to meet the diverse needs of consumers. Let us delve into a fascinating facet of the market, luxury goods. These are products that frequently carry substantially higher price tags than their production expenses would suggest. Consider Apple as a prime example. It is improbable that the cost of all manufacturing an Apple laptop substantially exceeds that of competitors like HP or Dell. Nevertheless, Apple manages to command significantly higher prices for its products. The same principle applies to Disney when comparing its pricing to that of other amusement parks. The underlying reason is rather straightforward. These companies are relentless in their dedication to providing unparalleled value to their customers, thereby cultivating robust brand loyalty and delivering exceptional experiences. To sum it all up, it is vital to recognize that the value of a product or service transcends the mere labor or resources invested in its creation. It is a multifaceted concept that hinges on several critical factors. First and foremost, there is the utility it offers, how effectively it meets the needs and resolves the problems of its users. Equally significant is customer perception. How your target audience perceives your product or service plays a pivotal role in its value. Additionally, the unique experience that your offering provides can greatly enhance its perceived worth. In a nutshell, the value equation is far from one-dimensional, and its intricacies are shaped by a blend of utility, perception, and experience. Stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to use the psychology of pricing and its signaling effect. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.